Dahil naniniwala po ako, ang susunod ay number 9. So,
Candidate number 9. Hello, candidate number 9. How are you?
we're doing fine, good, and thank you very much.
So, good luck. Pick your number. And your judge is Judge number 5, Mr. Rupert Seville.
Good evening, candidate number 9.
Good evening, sir.
My question is, do you agree with the recent Supreme Court decision legalizing gay marriage? Why or why not?
Quite hard presently that 85 or 90%, we cannot deny the fact. I am not hypocrite that we're living in a Roman Catholic land, almost of us. When we say a Roman Catholic and all of us, there's what we call the attitude and the characteristic are definitely conservative. Once a person or a certain particular group are conservative, the idea of that is just only very narrow, not understanding profoundly or deeply what it is all about. But to protect that, I would like to adhere two sides of that. One, I am not in favor simply because that is why. All of you would definitely agree. Dahil nung bata pa tayo, kung ano sinabi ng mga magulang natin, yun ang paniniwalaan natin sa ating mga ina at tatay natin. When it has been said that it's only men and real women should be binded, of course it should be. And biblically speaking, in the law of God, it is really only for them. And above all, with due respect, even me, I would like also to walk down the aisle, but definitely in the matrimony and the sanctity of marriage, it isn't that it cannot be. But on the other hand, on the positive note of saying if I am in favor, sorry for those who are activists, why we should put into this. Because there are two things, two types of categorical of marriage. Marriage for the church and marriage of the man legalizing, which what we call binded by the law. So I should say why we have to say that I agree of same-sex marriage. Once and for all, we cannot deny the fact that the LGBTQ community at this point of time has this literal way. They have a lot of assets more than heterosexual. Sorry for my world. That is number one. I'm not saying it's all about the emotional. It's all about the protection of both assets, what will be inconveniency of the justification beyond the law that both of you should definitely understand. So I should say, positive and negative note of that. In general, if I am in favor of that, basically it would be biased because I am an LGBTQ member, yes for it. But in the name of God and in the name of the Bible, it is inapparent and imperative to say no. So it is only upon all of you. After all, the secret of binding relationship is not all about the asset. It's not all about what you have vowed for. It is all about what you have loved for before. Dahil ang pinakamatinding inyong pagsasamahan ay hindi ang kapangyarihan, bagkos ang pinakaibuturan ng inyong relasyon na parehas kayo nagkakaintindihan. Dahil pagdating ng araw naman, lahat tayo ay pantay-pantay, walang madadala. Kapag pumantay na ang paa at ipinikit ang ating mga mata, all of us are equal and nothing else. Thank you very much. Honorable. I just leave my answer with that, leaving that it's all up to us how we perceive. After all, I respect all and everybody's opinion. Love is universal. Thank you.